What's up guys, Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Pakistani double-sided dagger. Let's begin. So I got this piece for, you guessed it, $10, alongside with that Rambo First Blood knife that was actually pretty good. But let's go see if this was actually good too. So the leather sheath, the leather sheath is, it's like a very typical, like, normal Pakistani daggers, you could probably all know. So the sheath didn't have a button because this one's like completely rusted off and one of the buttons missing, so yeah, that's a problem here. Oh no, look at this one. That one's also like rusted off too, so yeah, that one's not good. Of course, the leather is like stitched in with orange on the sheath itself. Of course, you have it's like the whole texture for the thing itself. And that's bare bones on the whole dagger itself. This side's like also like this one's falling apart. So the dagger itself, this one's a double-edged, as you could probably know for that. Okay. So it is a pretty long beast on this one. This side right here is the sharp side, and this one's more of that, fake edge side. Of course, this one is, it's made of Pakistan. So my best bet, this one's a stainless steel, if any means necessary. This piece right here is like full brass, like on the thing. But the weird part about it here is you can see like this one's like cut, like the whole side has been cut just to fit in with this whole big piece of brass, and the whole tang is right here. It's like full tang. 4 like brass pins on both sides, but on the other side, this one has like a big old brass plate on this side, and this one does not. This one also is made of, I think, white bone, I think it is, with some like 6 cutout holes, but this one it has 7, that kind of deal. So let's go see what the size is. So the size on the dagger is around about 12 inches. Male for the handle is around about 4.5 inches. But for the overall size is around about 16.5 inches. Let's get to the size comparison. So the size on the Pakistani dagger is actually smaller than the Samuel and Lee number 9 cleaver, but it is bigger than any of the normal like 10-inch knives. So let's go test this bad boy out. So the results out there is, look at that. That's a, I think it's because of the force that actually cut through it, but again, this one's look pretty ragged and rough by any means necessary. Like it just, I think it's because of the force I had, or the blade must have, you know, go full blown of cutting that, and when it start moving, it just cuts like that to the point of this area. That's what happened. But for the other one, I think it's because of one side is like all sharp and stuff, and the other one's like completely dulled out. The other side on this one, again, that's some results about it here, but again, not really did well. You could probably all know that one. This one, on the other hand, it actually did cut through it, but not like goes through the entire bottle itself. So there you go. And this one, on the other hand, it did this. Well, look at some right here, some right here. You could probably know, and some. I think that was more likely to like sawing the thing off to get the job done type of deal. And of course the chopping on the wood was pretty weak as possibly can. So I'm giving the Pakistani double-edged dagger an astounding of a 6 out of 10. It's not really gonna get the job done of all things. And judging on the, you know, even including like the tang itself, it's not gonna be pretty tough blade of all things. So that wraps up of the Pakistani double-sided dagger. I'm Martell Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.